To use Judy's as a provisional cast-on, you'll need 2 circular needles of the same size. Because it's a 2-stranded cast-on, you'll want to wrap your yarn around a needle to figure out how much tail you'll need for your cast-on. Once you've decided, loop your yarn around your top needle and hold it in a slingshot fashion. The yarn across the finger will go to the lower needle, and the yarn across the thumb will go to the upper needle. As you work, your aim is to get all of your stitches mounted on your needles with the right leg in front and the left leg in back, and you'll be alternating. Because you started with that loop across the top needle, you will be ending with a loop on the bottom needle. You'll be casting on the full amount of stitches on both the top and the bottom needles. I like to place markers every 10 stitches on both needles to help me keep track of my count. Once you've cast on the full amount of stitches, I find it very helpful to tie a single knot on the back so that the stitches don't loosen up or fall off. One of your needles will be holding live stitches to be worked later, and the other will be worked right away. Note the ridge of purl bumps on the back. You can have that either in front or in back. Since I am working garter stitch, I'm going to have it facing me. I'm pulling the bottom needle through so those stitches are resting on my cable, and I'll be using the top needle to work first and saving those other live stitches for later.